Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Cocktail Walk. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. It's good to see you again, and today we are going to make something new and tasty. The cocktail we're making today is Whiskey Sunrise. It's Tequila Sunrise, is distant cousin, very distant cousin, but nevertheless it should be tasty, it should look amazing. So without further ado, let's make a Whiskey Sunrise. So the first ingredient of course is whiskey. The recipe that I found doesn't specifically tell which one, but I'm going to use Jameson. So 60 mils, 2 ounces. Now, second ingredient is orange juice, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. Third ingredient, lemon juice, 15 mils, half an ounce. Now we need ice. And we are going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we need an old-fashioned glass, fill it with ice. And we're going to double strain the cocktail into our old-fashioned glass. Now we need Grenadine, 15 mils, half an ounce. And garnish with an orange wedge with a maraschino sherry. And that's it, ladies and gents. Whiskey Sunrise. Cheers! It's nice, strong, fruit is dominant, definitely. I don't taste whiskey at all. Now, depending on the type of grenadine you use, it should probably be a little bit sweet, but my grenadine is syrup, so it's all the way down. Maybe you could give it a quick stir or something, but it's nice, it's refreshing. It's actually, you can taste alcohol. Yeah, it's good. And that's it, ladies and gents. We made a Whiskey Sunrise, really good to make. 4 ingredients only. Check it out. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Hit that like button, subscribe. It means a lot. It helps the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.